let's take a look at how you can create new form with WPForms Lite. So let's go into the dashboard and check that plugin is installed. And if you have yet to install plugin, go to plugins, then add new, and here you will have to search for plugin named WPForms Lite. Okay, and it will appear in search results. Okay, mine is already activated. You have to install and activate so that this menu in sidebar appears. Simply click on add new to create new form. Okay, that should take you to new page where you have form builder. Let's name this contact. Okay, you can choose existing contact form, newsletter form, suggestion form. Let's go with create simple contact form. So if you use default template, it will be already available with settings. Okay, as you can see, these are the settings already available. You don't even drag and drop the additional fields. Okay, so currently the ones which are dark blue are free and fancy fields are available for pro version, so we will ignore that. Simply save this form. Okay, and then close it. Okay, now here you see this is the contact form where we can edit, duplicate, preview and delete. And in right hand side you have shortcode. Simply copy that, then go to a page, any page would do. Let's go with privacy policy, which is in draft mode right now. Let me just open that. Okay, if you want you can create contact form as well. So to do that we can go to add new. Currently privacy policy has already a lot of content, so we'll skip that. Okay, now here let's name this contact, and here we can add our shortcode. You can also use your code view. So for that, code editor, simply paste shortcode in from this menu, then code editor, paste here, then publish your page. Okay, and then go to this page to see how it looks. Okay, here you can see your contact page appears with the form like this. So you get the idea how to use contact form on your WordPress blog or site using WPForms Lite.